Hello, second grade. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to find your details once you know your main idea. So we're going to read a part of Sharks, and this chapter is called Pups Grow Up. When shark pups grow up, they are awesome predators. They have many ways to sense their prey. Did you know a shark can smell blood from miles away? It can smell one drop of blood in 25 million drops of ocean. Sharks can see better than humans can. Even in deep, dark water, a shark can see its prey. Sharks take a test bite of prey before eating. Their taste buds tell them if the prey is fat enough to eat. So, the main idea of this section or chapter of my book is that sharks are really, really good predators. And now I have to think about the details that support that they are good predators. Well, they can smell blood, right, from far away. They are really good at seeing in the dark, deep waters. So that's at least two supporting details of what makes a shark a really good predator. So what I am going to do is on my detailer sheet, I'm going to write the title of my book, the section that I read, and I wrote, they have many ways to sense their prey. They can smell blood from miles away. Sharks have excellent eyesight. They can see in the dark, dark sea. And that is how you are going to do your detailer sheet.